Hello YouTube, I'll be showing you how to get 3D text in GIMP. Note that it may not be as good looking as Cinema 4D, because it is GIMP and it's not a 3D software. So the first thing you want to do is go to File, New, and then make your image. Let me make that white for a second. Now, I'm just going to start by making the text. And I'm just going to make the 3D text, or the glossy text that I used in my other tutorial. If you want the exact steps and like specific details on how to do it, then I will show you in that video. So I'm just going to make this black. I'm going to rasterize it by merging down the layers. And then I'm going to make a new layer, alpha to selection, get the oval ellipse, intersect with it, get your gradient, FG to transparent, make it white, then on that new layer you made, just stroke from the top to the bottom. And once you have that, go to shrink by 1 and then select invert, edit, cut, and it should make a white border. Once you have that, make this 57. Then you get to alpha to selection this again, duplicate that layer, get gradient, and make it blue, or whatever color you want it. Mine's going to be blue. And then stroke down, or select shrink by 1, then you want to stroke down. Then you want to select none. And once you have this, once you have your text layer, just duplicate it, and this is where the 3D part comes in hand. Gotta merge these two down, then you want to duplicate it, and then you want to filter, merge, or filter blur. I haven't used this program in a while, so filter blur, and then just find out the direction you want your text to be going. So mine's going to be going up and to the right. And just wait for it to motion blur. Once it's motion blurred, you can uncheck the top, uncheck the bottom, and just rapidly tap the duplicate. And I mean rapidly. And just merge the visible layers once you have that. And you can just keep duplicating until it gets a solid effect. Visible, keep duplicating, and then merge visible. Once you have that, you can get the top, you get the bottom, and you have 3D text. Now, just because it looks similar, you're just going to want to darken the brightness a little bit on the bottom layer that you just made with all the duplicating. So you're going to go to colors, brightness, contrast, and you can change the contrast if you want. It doesn't really look good, but whatever looks good for your image, I suppose. And just darken the brightness a little bit. And there you go, you got 3D text in GIMP. Not really that hard, guys. All you have to do is just duplicate and blur. Now, you can do this with any text effect. I just use the glossy one because it's a lot easier and doesn't take that long. So that's it, guys. Add any other effects you want to it. Comment, rate, subscribe, and see you later.